you, I love you.
Man, you look on YouTube, mother. You like, brain just like,
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Deuce.
And your girl Cali.
And today we gonna put together the Rubik's Cube.
We're gonna see who can get some faces or some matches, I guess. You wanna do like, who can at least, I don't know, these are hard. So we gonna like, you wanna see who can get a side at least?
Alright, let's see who can get one side first.
You wanna do one side?
Yeah, cause this, man, I did these when I was younger, but
I used to could get some matches.
my brain,
they do get hard though.
my brain ain't that. Alright, I ain't gonna say that out loud, but it's pretty difficult now.
You gotta really like,
you
gotta
like,
really think and like
remember where you
went and to go back there and then to get that side and then to go that way.
Look who it is.
Here.
She wanna mess up a video again. That's all she like to do, y'all.
Call grandma.
Is cry, cry, cry. When we doing videos, she don't be crying no other time. Until we about to record. Hater. Why you hating on us, boo?
Go.
Why you hate on us? No.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
You say something?
What'd you say?
We asked you why you hating on us again.
You quiet?
Oh, you don't got nothing to say now.
Get out of my messages. You trying to slide in the group chat?
Tell Daddy what's in there. Yeah, what? Tell me. Tell her mommy.
Come on.
All right, ready?
You trying to do it for a second and see, and then whatever.
Done. All right, ready?
Come on, baby, you ready?
All right, on your mark, get set, go. Man, you cheating. I already know you cheating. Yours wasn't even.
I twisted them both up.
All right, let me see.
Dang, I gotta pick a side.
No, you know what? No, let's go for the same thing. Let's go for the same thing. So it's hearts on here, diamonds, clubs, just like the card deck version.
Yeah, and then they got Joker on there.
And a Joker.
Let's go for the Jokers.
It's two sets of Jokers.
Let's go for the color Jokers.
I was gonna say let's go for the hearts.
No.
You don't want to go for the heart? Let's go for the heart. Let's go for the heart.
I don't know, this is more color. All right, I guess.
Look, let's go for the heart.
Are you ready?
Bet. One, go. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. All right. I got it. Nice. Ooh.
Man, this about to be hard.
Nah. What? The hearts is hard?
No, that's why you said hearts, because you already had some in there already.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I don't know why that just came to me like that. Like, quick.
God damn it. I got 4 on them so far. You cheating. You had a couple hearts right there.
How am I cheating?
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I said let's do hearts. Why y'all always think I'm cheating, y'all?
Because you cheating.
Dang. I can't never win. You just mad.
You
just mad.
You ain't even been twisting it that much.
You just mad. All right.
We gonna see in the video. You ready? You ain't even been twisting it that much. You got that many hearts.
You ready?
Right there already.
You ready? New face. Okay. We switching to Jokers now. Joker.
The color
one.
Jokers.
The colored Joker. Oh damn, I got a lot. See, look, I'm not even cheating. Look how many I got on there. So far.
hold on.
You on to something?
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you. Nah, you
see.
cheating.
You can turn the middle one, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. I gotta go this one. Okay. Hold on real quick. Dang, I gotta get this last one though. You tired of us, boo?
Oh, I'm in there. Maybe you do gotta get the colored joker first though. Cause you know how I be when you gotta get one of these is the leader.
Look, I'm trying to get these two. Look, you only got one. Look though, I got two I'm trying to get. I almost got it.
I got one, y'all. She got two. Show yours. No, wait, stop for a second.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you cheating.
Oh, look. I need two more.
Where the hell is the other colored one? Oh, he over here. Wait.
Let me see it. What do I?
Bruh.
Come on, boo. Help mommy. Help mommy. Help me, mommy. Help. Help me. Like, I keep doing it and moving it around, but then it go back to me needing like 3.
All right. Look, y'all. I got them all in a row, but I need to change the row. I can't. It's hard.
Okay, now I got back. I got back to the 2.
Man,
I lost them for a
I'm
minute.
in there. I just can't get it on there.
It's too late for this. Using the brain before bed.
It's so hard because you gotta mess it up.
I'm confused.
Confused.
These 2 is messing me up because it's like, I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm hurt. I don't even want to mess it up. What you doing? You looking up how to... She really cheating. You looking up how to do a Rubik's Cube?
I just saw a Rubik's Cube in 2 easy moves.
Moses over here trying to finesse.
Work.
Yeah,
I ain't even gonna help.
But look though, you gotta start with all the colors. Remember I was telling you, like we had to start with all the colors there so we can figure it out.
But there wouldn't have been no competition or trying to figure it out neither without. After this, I'm really about to be messing with this thing to figure out how to do it.
You just need to see. I need to see what was next to what though. You see what I'm saying? Like what was on this side and what was on this side, other jokers, you know? That's how you figure out Rubik's Cube. Because you gotta go back to the same.
You gotta undo it and then
you gotta do it right back to what was what. Was the hearts, was the diamonds on the side of the you gotta know that when you first start.
And it be like, we're not even holding this right neither. They be holding it weird as hell when they be doing this. I'm like, have some space. They be like, their fingers be like. You concentrating?
Yeah, because I got mine, but it's just. I be thinking, like, how do I get that perfect?
I don't know. I feel like we might have needed the real Rubik's Cubes too.
Why?
I don't know. I'm just trying to be different with these ones, so.
Yeah, but it ain't
I don't know, because it's like, I don't like how they getting stuck neither.
Because they supposed to get stuck like that sometimes. Maybe that's not the way you're supposed to turn it.
Yeah, that's what I was just looking at how he was turning it. We ain't supposed to be turning it all. You're supposed to go one direction, really. You're not supposed to be keep going all these like.
Oh, I'm back. I'm back to 1, y'all.
I'm all jacked up. I spaced mine all the way out.
See, that's some bull. That's some bull. You see that shit?
Just trying to get 2 of them.
Nah, let's switch again.
And you, huh?
Let's switch again. All right, we're going to spades, y'all. I think I'm winning.
I didn't get down
I have more hearts than you. I have more jokers than you. Yup.
Ooh.
What?
Get
You
out
back
of
on
my
space?
face. Out of my
Oh,
face.
because you trying to say my breath thing? It's my like.
Out of face. How you do it?
Oh, you trying to go. All right, bet.
Good talk.
One face down card. Remember that? You get up!
You see how I don't want to go back that way? You gotta like turn it all the way.
Hold on, wait. I'm doing motherfucking clubs.
Oh! Yeah. I ain't did nothing.
Trying to go fast. Gotta go fast, y'all.
It's like, how do they be getting
Don't
this?
even really look at it. Just do it.
Stay. Yeah, but eventually, let's just try to like, just do anything and see if it match somewhere.
Oh, it is.
Like, you gotta like learn how to.
I guess you don't really supposed to force it. I don't know. But doing it like that ain't it either. Cause you'll be all over the place, you know. See, I'm trying to get like at least one line of spades.
That's what you should have did.
What, one line
First
first?
line. This shit's hard.
Still can cut it.
It's so hard.
Alright, got one line. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. I'll start over.
I don't even think I can get a line back now. Let's see.
Got two lines. You know what it is though? You have to once you start getting stuff, instead of doing it like this and that, you have to turn the top. Remember to turn the top too. Turn the face that you working
Yeah,
on.
but I be turning the whole cube. You supposed to keep it one way, like this, and then, you know, like, maybe we're not supposed to be doing all this too, because then we don't know.
I said that to you. And you said, you just do it. We don't even know the basics of Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
You gotta get the middle first. You gotta get the left side, the right side. What is it? What's the easiest way to do this shit?
Oh, I got a line.
Finally.
It took me that long
What,
to do
for
it.
hearts?
Yeah.
We own spades.
I know, but that still counts as on a line.
It don't count.
Yes, it does.
We don't. All right, we don't. What you wanna do next? Clubs.
Let's try to get a line of diamonds.
You probably already got a line of diamonds.
Oh, but I see diamonds right here. Oh, I got one. Two little twists, and that's what it took. Excuse me.
All right, we on club.
A line of club.
A line of club.
Can I do it? Can I do it? I need to get this. Oh, come on, man. Give me one more.
Line of clubs.
Shoot.
All right, a line of hearts.
How you gonna switch up on me like that?
No, a line.
Boom! No, you seen that?
What?
I got a line of hearts right there.
No, you don't.
Oh, right here.
Oh, in the middle, yeah.
Yeah.
See how they face in different ways, though? That
Yeah,
kind
it's
of
not
tell
supposed
you.
to be doing
No, it kind of tell you which way it's supposed to be, though. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Honestly. Yeah, it tell you. So it kind of tell you.
Like, follow this direction, follow that direction. Like, the spades and the hearts and the diamonds is the only ones that really got angles. Oh, yeah.
The diamond
The
upside, right side up. Yeah, so you trying to
So
get
maybe
everything
let's just
right
get
side
them
up.
all the face one. Yeah. Man, I don't know. Man, jack this thing up. Ain't no fixing it. And the doctor.
No, but that is right though. That's how you supposed. It's supposed to be one way. But it's like which way? At the end of the day, which way is the right way for it to be facing?
You just got time. We thought this was gonna be easy a little bit.
This is the Rubik's Cube challenge.
Try to see if somebody can get a side. Try to see if somebody can at least get a side.
I ain't even really been trying though, neither. Because we've been trying to get one face at a time, but I need to be like focused on all the faces.
I went back to the Joker faces though. I'm trying to like get them all. I'm trying to get them all to face the same way. Cause like, what if we was to get a side of all Jokers, but they not all going the same direction, so that don't count? Like the rules to read.
The rules. Ain't no rules.
The rules.
Ain't no rules, nigga.
The rules.
Love you.
Give me one. Give me mommy kiss. You gonna give me one? Ah! Give me one. I want a kiss.
I didn't even ask that time.
Give me one.
Oh, alright. I thought you just played me.
Give me a kiss.
She played me,
Give me
y'all.
a kiss. Give me some of them. Can I have a kiss?
You a traitor.
You're not gonna give your mommy one? What? Get off me.
Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Y'all.
Hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe, like,
on the bell.
some. Y'all just be being some weirdos. Y'all just be watching and not doing nothing.
Don't talk about the YouTube community.
Look, YouTube community. Y'all better.
I got y'all back.
Y'all.
Take y'all time.
Yeah.
Subscribe and hit the bell. And y'all
Y'all hit the bell so y'all know when we post.
Right.
Like, it's like Facebook or whatever. If you hit the bell, you're gonna get notifications.
You know what the bell is for?
Some of them don't know. Y'all never
and stuff, eh? They ain't gonna like us.
Everybody love us.
Y'all love us, don't y'all?
They love us.
I know.